AI isn't coming, it's already here. But few leaders use it to scale judgment. In this episode, I show 3 tools that free leaders from admin and force better decisions. As business leaders navigate the complexities of 2025, artificial intelligence is not merely an emerging technology, it's a crucial tool for enhancing team performance and solving real business challenges. You've heard the hype. AI will replace us. Here's the honest truth. AI will replace dull, repetitive work and reward the leaders who use it to multiply human judgment. If you're a manager, director, or educator who wants to save hours without compromising quality, watch this whole video. In 10 minutes, I'll show 3 tools you can adopt this week. A neutral integrity framework you can roll out tomorrow, 3 AI tricks that cut editing time by 80%, and the exact prompts I use to scale mentoring without losing the human touch. AI has evolved significantly, moving beyond basic automation to sophisticated capabilities like real-time data interpretation, autonomous learning, and reshaping entire business models. Many companies now leverage AI to anticipate market trends, personalize customer experiences, and optimize their supply chains, with a significant majority of leaders viewing AI as fundamental to their strategy. One key area where AI excels is in enhancing decision-making and predictive analytics, offering insights far beyond traditional data analysis and forecasting future trends. AI also drives efficiency and automation, streamlining repetitive tasks, reducing human errors, and allowing teams to achieve more with fewer resources. Furthermore, AI significantly improves communication and collaboration by automating scheduling, generating meeting summaries, and providing real-time insights. Now, let's explore 3 practical AI tools that can dramatically improve your team's performance, starting with communication and collaboration platforms. Part 1. Tools like Grammarly and Auto-AI enhance both written and verbal communication, providing grammatical corrections, style suggestions, and accurate transcriptions. Tool 1. Meeting summaries and action extraction. Tool name: Auto-AI. Descript of Fireflies. Pick your org's preferred vendor. Use it to automatically transcribe meetings and extract action items. Real case: a mid-sized HR team replaced 90 minutes of meeting admin per week with a 10-minute review and a single email that lists decisions and owners. How? Record the meeting, auto-transcribe, then run a 2-sentence prompt. Summarize decisions, list action items with owners and deadlines. Copy the output into an email and hit send. Human check equals 1 to 2 minutes. Platforms such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom integrate AI functionalities like automated reminders, smart notifications, and post-meeting summaries to streamline workflows. Tool 2. Smart scheduling and email triage. Tool name: Superhuman Plus AI Assistant features for Gmail Plus GPT plugins. Use AI to triage low-value emails, propose replies, and flag decisions. Case study: a COO reduced inbox time from 2 hours per day to 45 minutes by delegating drafting of routine responses to an assistant. Rule of thumb: write a short policy, draft, don't send the human approves, the AI drafts. That preserves accountability. Next, we turn our attention to productivity and task management tools, essential for keeping projects on track and maximizing output. Tool 3. Rapid brief and decision support. Tool name: GPT-style copilots or Claude for Gemini. Use AI to create short decision briefs, Summarize the pros, the cons of option A VSB in 5 bullet points with recommended next steps. I use this for quick staffing or procurement choices. Example, when deciding on an L&D provider, a 5-minute AI brief delivered the comparable features, risk flags, and a 1-line recommendation, saving a 2-hour review meeting. Asana assists leaders in tracking team tasks and enhancing productivity through its robust project management features, ensuring clear oversight. Present simplifies the creation of professional presentations, while Notion AI helps teams manage ideas, tasks, and projects, even generating blog outlines and meeting summaries. Finally, let's delve into data analysis and business intelligence tools, which are critical for informed decision-making. Tableau, a data visualization and analytics platform, now uses generative AI to automate task management and deliver profound insights from complex datasets. Framework, PTVR, Purpose, Transparency, Verification, Rights, Purpose. Define why AI is used. Example policy line. AI may be used to summarize data and draft routine communications. It must not be used to fabricate primary evidence or bypass assessment procedures. Transparency. Require disclosure when AI is used in production or assessment. Example, if a summary or draft is AI-assisted, note it in the submission cover sheet. Verification. Always verify AI outputs. Build short verification tasks into workflows. Source checks, count examples, and red team review for hallucinations. Rights. Protect privacy and IP. Ensure data used for models is anonymized or consented. Example clause. No personal student data to be used for model training without consent. Case Vineta professional training provider piloted these rules. They allowed coaches to use AI drafts in prep, but required coaches to add a personal reflection paragraph and a signature. The result? Quality improved and complaints fell because humans owned the output. Practical rollout steps 3-day pilot. Day 1. Choose one team and one task, meeting notes. Day 2. Run with PTVR. Day 3. Gather feedback and publish rules. ChatGPT can analyze vast datasets, identify trends, and use predictive analytics to forecast outcomes and customer behavior with remarkable accuracy. Accio, an AI assistant for data, further aids with forecasting, analysis, and visualization, making data accessible and actionable for leaders. Implementing these AI tools effectively requires assessing your organization's AI readiness, prioritizing use cases aligned with business goals, and investing in comprehensive training. It's also crucial to ensure leadership buy-in, promote ethical AI practices, and foster a culture of continuous learning to adapt to new advancements. Part 3. Create high-quality video with AI. 3 fast tricks. If you're creating content, AI can cut production time dramatically. Here's how I do it. Trick 1. Auto-transcribe. Edit in text, record your talk. Auto-transcribe, Otter. Then edit the transcript like a doc. Delete filler. Rearrange sentences. The software re-edits the audio for you. Result: editing time cut by 50 to 80%. Pro tip: keep natural breaths. The AI handles it. Trick 2. AI B-roll and background generation. Use AI to generate supportive B-roll or background images. Run short text prompts in a stable diffusion tool or stock AI generator. Example prompt: 30s cutaway of a modern office team brainstorming with post-it notes, natural lighting. Use these as cutaways to illustrate points instead of filming everything. Trick 3. Batch captioning and repurposing. After you finalize a long video, run bulk caption generation, then repurpose. Create 3 times 60s clips and 6 times 15s hooks. Tools: CapCut, Clip Drop. Case study: a coach turned a single 12-minute talk into 20 social pieces in under an hour. On-screen demo idea: show before or after timelines of editing time. Part 4. AI for mentoring and feedback. Scale the human touch now. The most humane use of AI, mentoring. Use machines to free up relational time, not replace it. Workflow overview. Record a 20-minute mentoring check-in, audio or notes. Feed it to an AI summarizer. The AI returns: summary, suggested smart actions, suggested resources, and a draft follow-up email. You review, personalize 1 paragraph, and send. That takes 10 to 15 minutes instead of an hour. Exact prompts use these templates. Copy or paste them. Prompter, summarize and action summarize this mentoring conversation in 6 to 8 bullets focusing on outcomes, 3 smart actions, and any risk flags. Keep language professional and concise. Prompt B. Draft follow-up. Write a personalized follow-up email to a mentee name, referencing the 3 agreed actions, suggested resources, 2 links, and a suggested date for the next check-in. Keep the tone supportive, 150 to 200 words. Prompt C. Mental coaching notes. Provide a 1-paragraph coaching note for the mental, focusing on 1 strength to amplify and 1 small experiment to try. Keep it actionable. Use tool chains, Zapier or Make, to automate the transcript prompt email draft flow. Keep human approval in the loop. Case study: a learning lead piloted this for a cohort of new managers. Mentors spent 30% less admin time and met more frequently. Mentee satisfaction increased because follow-ups were clearer and measurable. Ethical note: keep confidentiality. Delete recordings after summarizing if consent is limited. Anonymize sensitive sections before sending to any external model. While challenges like data quality and skills gaps exist, they can be mitigated through robust governance frameworks and targeted training programs. The future of AI in business promises AI agents autonomously performing tasks, hyper-personalization, and intelligent automation integrated into all processes. This evolution will lead to human-AI synergy, enhancing our capabilities and driving decision intelligence that directly informs business actions. Part 5. 1-week action plan and closing. 1-week playbook. Here's your 1-week plan to adopt AI responsibly. Day 1. Pick 1 tool, meeting summarizer. Run 1 meeting with it. Day 2. Trial PTVR rules with your team for transparency. Day 3. Use auto-transcript editing on a short talk and produce a 60s clip. Day 4. Run 1 mentoring check-in through the workflow templates above. Day 5. Collect feedback and decide next steps, scale, stop, or refine. Do 1 small, measurable experiment this week. That beats 1,000 unread articles. Final persuasion and quick wins. 3 quick wins to mention in your first week. Schedule a 15-minute tool demo for your team. Make a simple disclosure slide for AI use in meetings, and create a no-train list. What you won't let AI do. Final grades. Legal sign-offs. CTA and close. If you found this useful, grab the free 1-page AI for Leaders checklist. It has the tools, prompts, and a 3-day pilot plan. Link in the description. If you want to scale mentoring with the exact prompt chain I use, sign up for the short AI-enhanced mentoring mini-session. I'll walk you through automation, privacy safeguards, and a 30-minute rollout you can copy. By focusing on these key areas, business leaders can effectively leverage AI tools to enhance team performance, drive innovation, and achieve a competitive advantage in 2025. To help you navigate this landscape, download our free one-page AI for Leaders checklist. It's designed to provide actionable steps for integrating AI into your strategy. Simply visit our website and enter your email to receive this invaluable resource. Empower your leadership with AI today. Subscribe for weekly tactical guides. Comment, which tool will you try this week? I'll reply and share an extra prompt if you do.